Let us continue exercise 8a, trigonometric ratios number 16. We have 7 sine square theta plus 3 cos square theta equal 4. Then we have to show that tan theta equal 1 by root 3. So we will start from what we have. We have 7 sine square theta plus 3 cos square theta equal 4. From the identity which we'll do in the next exercise, we have sine square theta equal 1 minus cos square theta. This is identity which you will get in the next exercise. Okay. Then here we can multiply 7 into 1, 7 into cos square theta. Here you see we have both cos square theta, 1 minus 1 plus, we can minus 7 minus 3, we have 4. 7 is greater, in front of 7 we have minus. This is plus, there is no cos, we can transfer the other side. It is plus, when transfer become minus. So 7 minus 4 we will get 3. Here 7 is greater, again minus sign will come. We want only cos square theta, so here into we transfer this side, become divide. So minus minus can cancel, we get 3 by 4. We don't want square, we want only cos, so we put square root. 3 we cannot take out of the root, but 4 we can take out as 2. Now we get cos theta. The aim of question is to find tan theta. So let us use the definition. Definition of cos we know b by h, which means b equal to root 3, hypotenuse equal to 2. If we place it in a right triangle, we put theta in the acute angle. Then if we compare from this angle, this will be the base because it's nearer to theta. And here we have 90 degree. Opposite to 90 degree is AC, which will be the hypotenuse. We need perpendicular. Let us calculate it using Pythagoras theorem. H square equal p square plus b square. H you know it is equal to 2, but here you have square, so let's put square equal p we still don't know, so let it be like that, plus b we know square root 3, but we have square here, so let's put square. 2 into 2 4, square root 3 into square root 3 will be 3, because there are 2 3, one can go out of the root, but it is plus, when it shift this side become minus, so 4 minus 3 will be 1. We want only p, so square root of 1 is equal to 1. Now we get p, we get b, we get h. So we can use what we need, okay? So tan theta, because we have to find tan theta, so we take tan theta from the definition, we know it is perpendicular by base. So perpendicular, we finish to calculate, it is 1. Then base, we already have root 3, so equal 1 by tan theta equal 1 by root 3. If we check at the question, that is what the question want us to prove. They want us to prove that tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. So since we get what the question want, that's the end of it. Then next we will see question number 17. We have the value of tan theta equal 12 by 13. We have to show that 2 sine cos theta by cos square theta minus sine square theta equal to 312 by 25. So let us take from what we have. We have tan theta equal 12 by 13. We make use of the definition of tan theta, which we know it is p by b. So if we compare, it means perpendicular is 12, base is 13. Then in order to calculate the required value, we need hypotenuse. So for that, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So if we draw the triangle, and remember we put theta in the acute angle. So compared to theta, this side is nearer. So it will be the base 13. Then here make an angle degree, 90 degree, which means this one will be the perpendicular. Then opposite to 90 is hypotenuse, that we still don't know. Let's find it. So by Pythagoras theorem, we know it is h square equal p square plus b square. Oh, h we don't know, let it remain like that. P we know it is 12, so we put square plus b also we know 13. Here we have square, so let's put square. Then now you do 12 into 12, we get 144. 13 into 13, 169. Okay, for yourself satisfied, please multiply yourself. Here we have the sign plus, so we plus this 2. We get to be 313. We don't want h square, we want only h. So what to do? To remove the square, we put square root the other side. So hypotenuse here equal to square root 313. It is not a perfect square, so we cannot take out of the root. Let it remain like that. Now we get hypotenuse. Let us see what the question wants. So let us take first the left hand side. The left hand side is given to be 2 sine theta by cos theta. Then in the denominator we have cos square minus sine square theta. So 2 from the question, let it remain there. Then sine theta definition we know, p by h. Cos theta we know, base by hypotenuse. Then denominator we have cos theta square. So cos it is equal to b by h whole square minus sine theta we know, p by h. But here we have square, so let's put square. So let us replace the value all now. Because we know p is 12, b is 13, h is equal to square root of 313. So this 2, let it remain 2. Then we have p equal to h, equal to 12, and h equals square root 313. Here also we know b equal 13, h equal to square root 313. Then in the denominator also we replace same way. So first let us try to remove the bracket. Here we have multiply. So we can multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 313, there are 2 of them. So if we join under one root, only one will come out because they become perfect partner. So 313 can come out. Then here, since they are all in the numerator, we can multiply 2 into 12, 24. Then 24 you multiply with 13. For your self-satisfaction, please multiply yourself, okay? Then after we do so, we get answer to be 312. Then in the denominator, let's remove the square first. 13 into 13, we know 169. Square root of 313. So square and square root get cancelled. 313 remain. Then minus 12 into 12, we get 144. Then square root 313. Square root and square get cancelled, 313. Now here in the denominator we have fraction, so I have to take LCM. 313, 313, they are same number, so we can take only one. So if we take only one, numerator remain same. So here 313 denominator, 313 denominator, we can cancel. So 169 minus 144, we get 313 by 25. Because here what is numerator, bring it down, but here it's divide, so when we convert it to multiply, it will become upside down. So 313 and 313 you can cancel. 312 which is up, 25 which is down. After that we cannot do anything. So but if we check from the question, that is what the question want. They want us to show that it is 312 by 25, which is the right hand side, and we already got that. Then next we have number 18. They already give us cosec theta plus cot theta by cosec theta minus cot theta equal 81 by 49. But we have to find the value of cosine, cos and sine. Okay, so let us try to find first value of theta, then we will proceed. Okay, we have here, since we have plus and minus, we difficult to operate them together. So let us try to remove first, make them into single number. Okay, so let's cross multiply. 49 you can cross is this side, this one you can cross with 81. So after that we will remove the bracket. 49 into cosec theta, 49 into cot theta, we multiply. The same way this side, 81 with cosec theta, 81 with cot theta. Now let's bring them all one side. So these two are plus, let it be like that. Here we have plus, when we bring this side it become minus. Again here is minus, if we bring this side it become plus. Now let us see cosec with cosec, cot with cot. Here you have 49 cosec which is plus. Then here we have 81 cosec which is minus. So let's minus them. 81 minus 42, you will get 32 cosec theta. Then here we have 49 cot theta, and then here we have 81 cot theta. Both are plus. So let's plus it. and then we will get 130 cot theta. So we need to spread them in order to get only one value. So we can take this one plus, this side become minus. So in order to get only cosec theta, here it is into. If I bring it this side, it become divide. Okay, so we know the relation now. We use the relation cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. Then here minus minus we can cancel. Since both are even number, we can divide by 2. 2 into 16, 2 into 65. Then again the relation cot theta we have cos theta by sin theta. This is a formula. Okay, those. So here if you look both side, there is no plus in between. Minus also there, but not the main part. Okay, sin theta down, sin theta down. We can cancel. So we are left with 1 by here cos theta, we bring it this side, 1 by cos theta equal, here we can cancel with smaller number, 65 by 16. So now we get to know about cos theta. Next we have to find sin theta and cos theta according to what the question want. Okay, those. So here we know that cos theta equal b by h. If we compare it, mean base is 16, h is 65. So remember, while comparing, theta should be placed in the acute angle, and then base to this angle. Here it is nearer to the theta, so it will be the base. This one will be perpendicular. Opposite to 90 will be hypotenuse. So base we know it is equal to 16. Then hypotenuse equal to 65. So in order to get the base, we need to use Pythagoras theorem. So we know Pythagoras theorem. H square is equal to p square plus b square. H we know 65. Here we have square, you can square. P we still don't know, let it be like that. Then b we know it is 16, so we put square. So now you do 65 into 65, 16 into 16 for yourself satisfactions. Okay, so if we do 65 into 65, we get 4225. Then 16 into 16, 256. We have minus, so we can minus it. So after minus, we get 3969. We want only p, so let's put the square root. It's a big number. We can calculate the square root using long division method. So there are 4 of them. We group them to 2. 9 and 6, 9 and 3. So we go 6 into 6, 36, because 2 of them. So 9 minus 6, 3, 3, 6, 9. Then 6 plus 6 is 12. This is the way to find square root by long division. So if you put 1, it will not fit. 2 will not fit. If you put 3, we'll get exactly 369. So that means the square root of 3969 is 63. Then now we take the left hand side, which is cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta from the definition we know it is base by hypotenuse. Sin we know it is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Denominator also same, but only different in sign. So let's replace the value. So b we know 16, h we know 65, p we know 63, h we know 65. Both numerator and denominator. After that we have fraction with plus and minus. What to do? Let's find LCM. Numerator, denominator both 65. So we can take that. If LCM and denominator are same, numerator also should remain the same. So 16 plus 63. Down also it goes the same, only instead of plus we have minus. So 16 plus 63 we get 79. 65. Then here 63 minus 16 we will get 47. 63 is greater minus. Here it is divide. If I change it to multiply, it will come upside down. 65 can be cancelled since we have into. Then here we cannot divide, so that the answer. Then if we see what, here we only have to find the value. So the value of cos theta plus sin theta, it is equal to minus 79 by 47.